Welcome, in front of me I have Panasonic TV, and today I'll show you how you can adjust noise reduction. At the first you have to grab your remote control and then click on the menu button. Next click OK. Right now you have to scroll down using your arrows and you have to find the noise reduction. So simply click OK. And here you can find a couple of the options. You can set it automatically, you can go for maximum, medium, minimal, or just turn it off, and I'm going for the second option. Click OK to confirm, and it has changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.